Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the Planner 5D YouTube channel. Today, we're going to cover 8 common mistakes that could mess up your next design battle. We'll use the A Video Games Day design battle as an example, so you can learn from the pros and come out on top. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future tips and tricks. Alright, let's get into it with mistake number 1, white walls or default textures. In any design challenge, you've got a world of options, so why settle for boring? Go ahead and play with textures, get creative with colors, and make that room pop. White walls are like plain toast, sure, they get the job done, but where's the flavor? Mistake number 2, skipping ergonomics. Everyone wants a stylish space, but if it's not comfortable, what's the point? Let's talk about the basics. You wouldn't want to sit on an ottoman for hours, right? Add a proper ergonomic chair instead. And don't forget to put a carpet under the chair so it glides smoothly, no more struggling with stuck wheels. Also, make sure your monitor and desk are at the right height to work in comfort. Ergonomics might not sound exciting, but trust me, it's the difference between a space that looks good and one that feels good, too. Mistake number 3, ignoring the task. Always read the competition details carefully. Understanding the criteria is crucial to winning and creating a standout project. This time, the challenge is to design a gaming room for a full day of video games. So, don't miss the essentials. Everything from the desk, chair, and computer needs to be perfectly placed. Get ready to level up your design and create the ultimate gaming experience. Mistake number 4, floating objects. It's the decor and small details that really take a room's design to the next level. Paying attention to these finishing touches is key. Make sure every item is thoughtfully placed on furniture or properly hung on the wall, instead of just looking like it's floating or cluttered. The magic is in the details, so stay mindful and precise as you bring the space together. Mistake number 5, leaving too much empty space. To create a cozy and inviting room, start with the main furniture pieces, like a desk and chair for a study. Once the essentials are in place, enhance the space with decor. Don't leave rooms feeling bare, add furniture, decor, and lighting that fit the theme to bring your design to life. Mistake number 6, poor lighting arrangement. Lighting is crucial, not just for the room's functionality, but also for setting the mood, creating coziness, and enhancing comfort. Be purposeful with your placement. Use lamps to add warmth to a specific area, brighten up a workspace, or make a reading nook extra inviting. Every light should contribute to the overall atmosphere of the room. Mistake number 7, bad camera positioning. Winning isn't just about creating a beautiful design, it's also about how you present it visually. Think of your design like a photo shoot. Avoid placing furniture too close to the camera, as it can block or distort the view. Showcase your work in a way that highlights your vision and effort. Mistake number 8, cluttering the space. No matter how stylish or well-designed an interior may be, if it's cluttered with unnecessary items or decor that doesn't harmonize, the room will feel uncomfortable. Simplicity and cohesion are key. Ensure that every element has a purpose and contributes to a balanced, inviting space. Good examples. What makes an interior truly stand out? It's when a room feels both stylish and cozy, with essential furniture, comfortable lighting, and the perfect balance of brightness. When these elements come together, the space becomes more than just a room, it transforms into an inviting, well-designed interior. That's all for today. Remember, to design a room that's cozy, functional, and stylish, it's important to understand the purpose behind every decision. Let us know in the comments which design battle we should review next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Planner 5D channel. See you next time.
Bye!